In this video, we'll show you how to get rid of this AppCloud app from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So what this app basically does is suggest new apps for you to try. It also sometimes install apps automatically without permission. So the easiest way to stop that is to simply disable the app. So for that, head to the settings app, scroll down and then tap on apps. Now tap the filter and sort icon and then enable this show system apps toggle. Now tap OK. Now simply search for the AppCloud and then tap on it. Once you see this, you'll need to go to this notifications option and then turn off notification access for the app. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Tap the clear cache option, tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Now go back to the previous menu. Now if you do see the option to uninstall the app, make sure to uninstall it from here. In some cases, you will also see the option to uninstall the updates. For that, you'll need to tap the three dot icon that appears in the top right corner and then select uninstall updates. However, if you want to get rid of this AppCloud app completely, you can check out the video linked in the description. It basically walks you through the steps that allow you to uninstall pre-installed apps on your Samsung phone, including AppCloud. So make sure to try this. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.